Hello and welcome to the May edition of the Canberra Property Market Update. You're with me, Tom Williamson from the Independent Property Group. Now, if you've watched the last couple of months worth of videos, you would have noted one particular trend, and that was commercial real estate taking the top spot as far as sale prices go, and the month of May was no different. We saw number 98 Shepard Street in Hume sell for a whopping $4,050,000 at auction throughout May. This is a pretty generous land holding of 4,500 square metres. That particular warehouse is currently being leased to the Commonwealth Government as a data storing facility. Now, the purpose of that, probably the lease, will not change. However, the owners have decided to cash in, and who can blame them with a figure like that in excess of $4 million. We also saw a slice of the iconic Sydney building over on East Row in the city sell at auction throughout May, both 13 and 15. They're separate land titles, the two of them. A couple of different retail spaces between them. Now, they sold for a touch over $1 million. It was good to see plenty of money still ticking through those iconic buildings there. We saw a fantastic result from Luke Rivette and Jude Muhammad from the team Independent over in Belconnen, who sold number 22 Munson Street in Chapman for a whopping $1.4 million. An absolutely gorgeous property, an incredible campaign run by those two. Must be absolutely smiles all around at this point. Really, really well done campaign, and a really consistent showing of what we've seen throughout Chapman and Western Creek in general in the last little while. Great result there. The Mr. Fluffy auctions continued throughout June, where we saw only last week the Woden Valley and the Western Creek blocks go to auction. We saw number 51 Glasgow Street in Hughes, a particularly generous block, which also backed onto reserve up there in Hughes. Pretty rare block. That one sold for $1,012,000, which is a lot of money by anyone's standard for a patch of grass, but no doubt cracking property and very few blocks to that standard. We look forward to seeing what exactly gets built on that block in the next little while. Great result there. Now, auction clearance rates remained. They plateaued to 61% in the month of May, which is exactly where they were 1 month prior in April. However, we still saw 170 buyers brave the elements and go out to buy property at auction throughout May, which suggests that there's still really good buyer sentiment in the market at the moment, especially when it comes to auctions. So really good numbers to see there. We haven't yet had any further news from the Reserve Bank of Australia in regards to interest rates. At the moment, they sit at 1.75%. However, we'll expect in the next 7 days or so news from the Reserve Bank as to if the interest rates will remain, whether they'll drop or whether they'll increase. But for the moment, they look pretty steady at 1.75%, which is incredibly low historically, which shows it's still a fantastic time to buy property in the ACT. So that's all for the May property market update. Look forward to seeing you in a month's time for the June edition. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.